शाहरुख पहले से ही इतने सारे अवार्ड्स हैं इंडिया में भी और आउट ऑफ इंडिया भी आईफा टॉयफा होस्ट किया जाता है। ऐसे में क्या लगता है कि एक और अवार्ड और जैसे जैसे अवार्ड्स बढ़ रहे हैं वैसे वैसे अवार्ड्स की क्रेडिबिलिटी कम होती जा रही है। कई सारे स्टार्स बॉलीवुड में भी अब अवार्ड्स का मजाक उड़ाने लगे। आपने भी कई बार मजाकिया लहजे में कहा है कि मैं तो बस यूं ही चला जाता हूँ, अवार्ड्स ले लेता हूँ। तो ऐसे में एक नया अवार्ड, इसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
आई थिंक यार थोड़ी सी चीज़ आप टेलीविजन से हो ना। एक्चुअली आई थिंक थोड़ा टेलीविजन ने बर्बाद कर दिया अवार्ड फंक्शंस को, ऑनेस्टली। क्योंकि अभी क्या हो गया है कि जो भी अवार्ड का फंक्शन होता है वो टेलीविजन फ्रेंडली ज़्यादा हो गया है, जीईसी के लिए ज़्यादा हो गया है। और ये बहुत दुखद बात है मेरे हिसाब से। बहुत सारे हैं और शुरुआत बहुतों की एक अर्नेस्टनेस और एक एथिक के साथ होती है कि वी विल ट्राई टू गेट द बेस्ट possible way to judge popularity or the critical content of a film and filmmakers and actors and actresses, but कहीं ना कहीं पर हम उस लूप में फंस जाते हैं। I won't take away from the fact that everybody tries to be credible. I think everybody tries to make the best effort possible, but I think reasons of commerce and economics sometimes don't let it go to the extent. So the assumption every time is जब भी एक award function नया वाला आता है और एक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म पे ऐसे लोगों के साथ जो एक अर्नेस्ट एफर्ट कर रहे हैं, सो होप पे तो दुनिया कायम है। सो यू अज्यूम दिस वन इंडियन एकेडमी अवार्ड्स विल मेक श्योर कि प्लेटफॉर्म जैसा भी हो, एंटरटेनिंग हो, यू कैन बी गेट एंटरटेनमेंट एंड द ऑथेंटिसिटी and the credibility of awards to mix in such a way that you can watch both. You have a great function on television and you are able to also appreciate the fact that maybe perhaps not your most popular choice is one, but somewhere down the line the correct choice is one.
एक और सवाल,
Which is the one you hold closest to your heart?
The next one.
Shahrukh, what is Hollywood celebrities? Oscar is the only benchmark for Bollywood celebrities, is it?
Oh, you still have the mic?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
There's someone else. Hardik, you have to book my show.
Sorry, I couldn't get you.
So, is Bollywood celebrities?
Is Oscar.
You know, when you see a property like Oscars, which has been going on for years, it may not be, I mean, I think it's inspirational, if not a benchmark. You know, they've been going on for years. They've created an academy. Everybody looks up to it. Not only that, the Golden Globes, the BAFTA. There's some amazing awards, even you know, in other countries. We may not have access to them or see them as often, but Oscar, of course, is the most popular and most viewed. But I think there is a system there which can be inspirational in terms of trying to take a cue from a good thing that already exists. So I'm not saying it's the benchmark that you can try and create a mini or a Oscar clone, but somewhere down the line, if there is a good thing and you know, kind of shows us or leads us to a path where we can create a property which is Indian, about Indian films, married with the Hollywood films and South Indian films, and inshallah all the films in India and all the languages, I think it's okay to take the cue from there, but don't consider it like a benchmark. Create our own benchmark with maybe this one, inshallah.
So, but if you award and second is reward, personally, what would you personally prefer?
So, which do I?
So, what do you personally prefer, awards or rewards?
What is reward?
What is the different thing that you get in return? The love that you get from fans can be a reward.
तुझे मालूम है ना, ये क्वेश्चन को जम नहीं रहा है।
आपको खुद भी नहीं जम रहा है।
Number of awards. Do you keep a tab on the awards that you have won so far? Do you keep a count? And if yes, how many have you collected so far?
Will you judge me if I say yes? Yes, I do. I love awards. I've never made any bones about it, and I've said this openly. Sometimes it may be taken wrongly, but I love being a movie star. I love being an actor. I love winning awards for my work. You reach a stage in your life as an actor, and I've been working for some years now, where you know, some kind of recognition. All artists, whether you're a poet, a singer, a painter, a dancer, a choreographer, you just want applause. And somewhere down the line, any award that I've received, I've always thought of it as collective applause for the work that I've done in a year or for a specific film. So yes, I do keep tabs on awards, and I want to keep winning them. And I try very hard, and I work very hard to get them. And when I don't get them, I feel extremely sad. No, I don't want to
That
limit
would be
them.
psycho.
I don't want to limit them. But having said that, I've been told I've got 267.
Woo! That's a mean feat. Please notice it's down to the decimal point.
Shahrukh, yeah. I know like Hollywood stars and Hollywood films will also be involved in IAA. So how do you think Hollywood celebs or Hollywood actors or stars will take this particular awards? Because we all see them joking about Bollywood movies at times. They are not aware of the industry that we have over here. So how do you think they'll take it, Hollywood stars?
Whatever little experience I have, having spent time with the American artists, they are extremely gracious people, let me say that. And you notice that in their award functions. There's a lot of graciousness. I think the presence of all the actors, actresses, directors, producers, writers, whenever an award function is there, quite outnumbers the ones we have. I think that's extremely graceful of them, knowing fully well they might not win the award tonight, but they all, the award is placed on such a pedestal that people think just being there or being nominated is a big thing. That's one. Second, the reason for an Indian Academy Award or award functions which we're taking abroad is to introduce Indian cinema to the world. When you say if somebody is not knowledgeable about our films, or perhaps even in some cases because of the lack of knowledge looks down upon it, I think it's our duty as filmmakers to take this platform and say, okay, this is what we do. And I'm sure we also sometimes judge everybody's films. It's not that we don't judge. We also like some films and we don't like some films. I think it's important to take this platform for the Indian oldest filmmaking country in the world and say, listen, this is the stuff we do, guys, and participate. And I think there would be graciousness enough from both sides where everybody will accept it. So if we get short-sighted and say, what will they think? They make fun. Everybody makes fun of everything, and that's all right. But I think it's a duty to introduce people to our work, our film industry, and our way of making films, so that this lack of education can be overcome.
Center. Shahrukh, if there is one award that has eluded you, it is the national award. I remember during Fan, you had joked about retiring after getting a national award. But personally speaking, do you feel is there any performance of yours that really deserved one? Because for me, either it was Chak De or Swades, for which you should have won a national award. So if you could just tell me.
I come from a place where I think audience and jury members and my filmmakers have been very kind that I won lots of them. For me to sit back and say I could have won for that would be demeaning, any award. If I didn't get it, I didn't deserve it. It's as simple as that. So I don't think there is any performance of mine till date which could have or should have got national award. I don't perform according to winning an award. I just hope, something turns out well, and it's not just me, there are 100 people making the film. The one that I'll get it for, inshallah, if I keep working hard, will be the one I deserve. But I don't think, if I haven't gotten an award, I don't deserve it. It's as simple as that. Once again, I'll just wind up because it seems like a good evening for me. Everybody seems to be liking me, so. Once again, I'd like to personally thank Tom and the whole American Council, because, if you don't have this kind of backing, and I've noticed, I've had a few conversations with them, even apart from this award function that they are initiating now, but the kind of help and the platforms that is being offered there is going to be outstanding. I want to tell Saurabh, I want to thank Manoj actually for allowing this to happen too. And I want to tell Saurabh that this opportunity that we've all got, just being a film buff, make sure it adds and counts. And of course you have the best of talents with Cine Yur and Brainstorm and of course Shamak Dawa. And we'll get a lot of artists from here, Hollywood and South of India. And I think this platform of Indian Academy, Indian Awards Academy should take away all the issues we have with award functions. And we should work towards that. I'm not trying to be patronizing, be giving you advice. But like I said, it's been a good evening. So I'm feeling like a star, so I'm just letting you know. And thank you very much. And, for all the support always for every endeavor of the Indian film industry. Thank you.